In this video, I'm going to show you how to pitch shift in Cakewalk. Now, there's two ways to do this, which I do think are the easiest, so I'm going to show you both of them. The first one is going to be, you want to click on your audio clip, you want to pitch shift, and then go to Process up top, and then from here, you want to click on Transpose, and select how much you want to transpose. So, for example, I'm going to go to 8, and I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see, it's going to load in, and this is permanent, by the way. If I play this
is just some sample audio.
You can hear the pitch shift has taken effect. Now I pressed Ctrl and Z on my keyboard to go back, of course, and revert the changes. So, of course, when you do this, that's the first way, but the second one is using effects. You can go to over here, click on the plus button inside effects, and you can go to insert audio FX, and you want to find pitch, okay? So over here it says pitch shift, hover over it, and click on pitch shifter. From here, you can go and shift the pitch. So if I go down like this and play it,
this is just some sample audio.
You can hear my voice is much, much deeper. But if I go and put it up like that,
this is just some sample audio.
You can hear the pitch has gone up a lot, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.